Hello everyone, I am Anshuman Muduk from MDB Electrosoft Private Limited. We make you technically confident. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है डेंसिटी बेस्ड ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम और ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल सिस्टम. इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट and components we are going to use in this project as well as the block diagram and working. Let us start with the introduction. As the name refers, density based traffic control system or traffic management system. Here in this project we will be managing the traffic on the basis of the live condition or the real time condition of traffic. As we know, when we are going through a traffic signal or passing through a traffic signal, we observe that few times there is a higher density of traffic on the same side and lower density of traffic on the another, but still all the lights or all the sides get similar amount of time to pass. So with the help of this project we will be able to manage traffic more efficiently. With the help of this project, the side which has more vehicles on its side or has higher density of traffic will get the preference to let the vehicles pass. So there will be less jam on the traffic square or the squares. So let us move on towards the components. Here we are going to use Arduino Uno IR sensor. IR stands for infrared. LEDs such as red, yellow and green, which are usually used for traffic signals, and just a normal power supply. Let us move on towards the block diagram of this project. As can be seen in the block diagram, and we have already mentioned in our component list, we are going to use Arduino. We can use different variants of Arduino, but here we will be using Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno will act as the controller of this project. Arduino Uno will control all the systems in this project. Here we are having multiple IR sensors, like 4 IR sensors for 4 streets of the road. Here IR1 will be connected to the first street of the square, IR3 will connected the second entry street of the square, fourth will be connected to the fourth entry street of the square, and the third one will be connected to the third entry route of the square. And now, as can be seen in the diagram, this is a square. Each square has a pillar which holds the traffic lights, and the sensors will be placed right before a specific level. If the traffic crosses that line, that specific line, then the sensor will detect that this specific side of the road is having higher amount of traffic. It will send a signal to the Arduino board. Whenever the Arduino board receives a signal from sensor 1, it will just release the traffic for sensor side 1. After the traffic density is reduced, then it will also again start a normal cycle of traffic. Similarly, if sensor 2 senses higher density of traffic on the second side of the square or second corner of the square, then it will instantly turn the traffic signal green for that specific side, and others will turn to red unless the density is reduced to the normal level. After that, again the cycle will continue from the point. Hopefully you understood the project. Related videos link will be in our description. Thank you.